Hello. There's some more snow on the ground, but that's not stopping me from doing my mech work in, well, about 15-degree weather. So let's see the torso do some rotation. Let's put the camera down right here. Make sure we got a nice angle. Now, unfortunately, I gotta do some realignment of where the linear actuator is mounted, because currently it can only do all of its rotation to the left. So what I need to do is I need to move it a little inward so it can also rotate to the right. And some of the creaking you're hearing is it's actually kind of, the linear actuator is hitting the frame and kind of deforming it. So I also, hopefully, with the new adjustment, which I'm going to show you when it's done rotating, it's going to be able to make it so it doesn't hit it as much and so it creaks less. Now we're going to make it rotate back. See, that doesn't help. I forgot to put a lock on one of the pins for the linear actuator, so one of the pins kind of halfway popped out, and now it's bent a bit of the frame. We'll take a look at that in just a sec. Here, I'll just grab the camera. You can see right in there, there's sort of a little U shape that got bent out of shape. That's because I didn't put a cotter pin in the linear actuator bolt or pin or whatever, so it's gotten a little bent. I'll get a better look from this angle. Yeah, you can see it's kind of messed up, but I should be able to fix that, you know, with a hammer and a bit of time. It also looks like the cap sort of bent, but I should be able to just twist that back right into shape. And you can see that the linear actuator is pretty close to that bit of wood that acts as sort of a guide for the torso axle. Which means when I take out this bracket right here to repair it, I also gotta remove this entire thing and push it a little bit further that way. And that would fix the rotation issue. Surprise, the fix is in the same video. I got that all in there. So it's more or less turns properly now. There's just a bit of lag during some of the rotation because that bracket likes to wiggle back and forth a bit because it's got bent out of shape in the other experiments, as you can see. So eventually I'll get a new bracket for it, but I did a test already of it rotating. I kind of cheated in that department, so I'll just go over and show you. Just let me put down this my cell phone. There we go. There. Okay. There we go. We can see here's at the point at which it lags a bit. And now we're starting to get to the real rotation. I gotta do something about this. You know, get it closer to the horse or something, but there we go. Oh, there has a bit of a tendency more to turn to the left than to the right. It's probably, again, has to do with the positioning of the actuator inside the structure. Now I'll make it turn back. There we go, we're still getting some lag. That's just until the, as I mentioned before, the bracket bends back into shape. There we go. Starting to rotate. It's just about centered. And now it's starting to go to the right. There we go. Probably, eventually I'll get around to doing a final adjustment for the rotation, but, you know, probably for this full systems test, I'll just show off the as is right now. So, all I gotta do is adjust the tension in these elbows, get that darn door on, and put the loop so the fingers will bend. And that will be it. All set for the full systems test. So be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.